Good morning from Czech Republic. Very busy. Tinatanggalan namin yung mga damit namin sa mga boxes. So, ayan dito. Medyo talagang kalat na kalat na. Yan. At ito ang aking magiging drawer. Ito. Lahat yan. Damit ko pa. Damit ko. Hindi pa tapos. So, ito yung aking drawer na aking mga gamit. Okay, hindi pa tapos yan. And how about you, darling? Where are you gonna put your clothes? You don't know. No, I think we're gonna mix ours in here. So this is mine. This is yours. This is yours. Yun. So dalawang palapag. So this is mine. Here. Yeah. And kay Sophia is downstairs kasi meron siyang sariling kwarto doon. Naayos na namin yung gamit niya. Yung kwarto hindi pa. Pero dito pa siya pansamantalang natutulog. Nagitulog pa siya muna sa amin. Then siguro matatapos to in this week. Because that's so many things inside the boxes. We can't even remember what those things inside the boxes. Yeah. So Hannah is trying to unbox all these things.
Oh yeah.
So my job is just to try whatever help I could. Entertain her while she's doing some folding, unboxing. So Japit is the ones doing some chismis, you know, marites. Joke. Yan. Dami pa talaga naming ayos, you know? Dami pa itong hindi pa na-unbox. Yan, mga gamit pa yan. So, mga malita. Yon. Dami pa. Kasi kahapon nga, ang alsa balutan namin, galing sa taas, pababa, pataas. Welcome to the beautiful weather in Czech Republic. Talagang dito may proper summer. Summer talaga rito. Sa England, aywan ko lang kung ano ang weather ngayon doon. Anyway, forget about England. Let's move on to our new life here. Yun. So makikita nyo ang aming neighbors. Yung mga magagandang bahay nila. Malaking bahay talaga rito sa Czech Republic. Yan. Yung trampoline ni Sophia. Yan lang. At yeah. Tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho. So mag-unbox muna kami. Kasi kung ano yung tatlo lang naman to eh. Kay Sophia, kay Hannah at sa akin. So yung gamit namin ni Hannah stays here upstairs. Tapos yung kay Sophia binababa namin. At hindi pa tapos. Ang mas matrabaho kasi dito itong lugar na to wala talagang may nakatira rito, talagang vacant to eh. So ngayon lang ito malikabok. So nung unang araw namin dito sa village ni Hannah, sa bahay nila ni Hannah, nag-dusting kagad kami dito at medyo okay na ngayon. Natitira lang ito rito pag andito kami pag bakasyon. So yeah, punong-puno. Pero pagkatapos nito 2 weeks, 3 weeks matatapos na to. At saka ako maglalakad ng aking long-term residence visa. Kasi allowed pa akong tumira rito sa Czech Republic without my visa ng 3 months. So after that, kailangan i-process na yung aking residence permit. Okay. Sana talagang busy, ganun talaga.
Tired.
Tired now, tired? Okay. You need massage, darling?
Yeah. So this is your nice t-shirts going out. This is yours nice long sleeve and jumpers going out. And this is your long sleeve.
For garden?
For home, for garden I have a better.
Okay.
This is also for like home and jogging pants.
And that yours?
It's mine.
We're gonna put out this one upstairs.
I'm gonna have my clothes for home and plus pajama. Here will be here underwear and socks. And I don't know where I'm gonna put your white shirts. Here or down here.
Down.
We'll
Oh, they're
figure out.
done here.
We'll figure out.
Yeah. Not yet finished. So we're gonna go down and have lunch.
Yeah.
Dami talaga. Dami to sort out. Pero ganyan talaga when moving.
That's
Uh-huh.
yes. Let's go down.
So do you want me to carry this water?
Yeah.
Yeah? Nagda-dusting kasi kami kaya ako nagpulmas nitong drawer. Tapos na.
Summer coat. My goodness.
So ito yung magiging kwarto ni Sofia. Ito kalat pa. Hindi pa rin tapos. Pero medyo naayos na namin yung gamit niya. Yan. Ito lahat to gamit niya yan. So yan yung kanyang mga damit. Kanyang mga... Yun. Basta lahat to rito kanya to. Aha. Yan siyang baby po Sofia. Yan. Yeah. So dito siya. Yan yung piano niya. Hindi pa tapos. Pag talagang kuha na, maayos din to. Paunti-unti. Kasi dami pang kalat. Yan siya. Yan ang aming pingkay. How's my baby?
I'm bored, so I'm riding this bike while I'm playing Dress to Impress on Roblox.
Okay. So she's doing exercise. I can do as well exercise later there.
Yeah.
Right?
Sweating, but
Okay. Yeah. Alauna ng hapon. May narinig ba kayo? Wala. Maliban sa hangin. Kasi yung mga nakatira rito sa village na to, halos mga matatanda. Yung mga retired, alauna ng hapon, tagtulog. Kahit si Mamingka, natutulog na. Napaka-tahimik ng lugar nito. Sobrang tahimik. Mahangin. Sarap talaga rito. So, itong aking tambayan dito, yan ang pergola. Yan yung aking tambayan. Si Hana, nagpapahinga na rin. Pagkatapos namin maglinis doon sa taas, nagtupi ng dapat tupiin, ayusin ang dapat ayusin. So, pagkatapos namin mag-lunch, nagpapahinga na. So, it's resting time. Si Milan at saka si Helen, of course, nasa trabaho. Alam nyo na, pag office time, trabaho time, wala sila rito. So kami lang rito, si Hana, Sofia, nasa loob, nanonood ng TV. Sarap. So dito kami, ito, bayan ni Japit Boy, barbecuehan ni Japit Boy to. Here's my baby. So you gonna play your trampoline?
yes.
Yeah. So, yan. At least, special sa kanya to. Binili ni Mamingka para sa kanya. Pero matagal na itong binili. Ng mga 5 years old or 6 years old siya. Okay. Ngayon, tinayo ulit ni Milan kasi sabi ni Milan, hindi na ito bakasyon. Dito na siya titira. So, andyan na yan. Para may pagdalaruan siya. Pero pag winter time, tinatanggal to. Ayan.
Okay, I'm falling apart.
Yun. Sarap talaga ito. Sariwa ang hangin. Sariwa ang hangin. At bisitahin natin yung manok ng kapitbahay. Itong manok na to, parang bukid din to rito. Pag mga alas 4, 3:30 ng madaling araw, maririnig mo na nagtitilaok ang mga manok na to. Pero sabi ko, may roster ba ito? Parang lahat naman ay inahin. Oh. Alin kaya rito na tumitilaok pag madaling araw? Kasi may isa rito na tumitilaok pag madaling araw. Parang lahat naman inahin. Yan. Pero sagana sa itlog ito. Yan. Okay. Yes, baby.
You wanna pick some blackberries?
You wanna pick some blackberry?
You can just take it off it and eat it. It has to be the black one.
Yeah?
Only the black one.
Only the black one? Okay, I'll pick the black one.
Is it sweet or sour?
A bit sour.
You have to pick the one from the back side.
Mommy said you have to pick it from the bottom.
Yeah.
The close to the ground.
Yeah. The bottom.
And then leave it. Dami ng bunga ng kamatis.
And the dye?
Yeah?
Yesterday I picked strawberries from the garden.
May pumpkin dito, may pumpkin. 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 Isang pumpkin. Yun. Talagang relax dito sa bahay ni Hana. Pero tanggapin natin ang katotohanan na nandito kami para hindi na magbakasyon, kundi dito na tumira. Yan. So ngayon lang to, kasi dito sa Czech Republic talagang bakasyon pa ng mga bata. Ang pasukan nila uli ngayong September. Katulad sa England, ang pasukan dito. Makimarites tayo rito. Baka may madumaan ito at makimarites sa atin. Wala, tahimik talagang village, oh. Tahimik. Sobrang tahimik ng village. Wala mo lang sakin dumadaan. Huh? Hey! Aling! Are you awake? Hey! Nagpahinga na siya na. Nagigising pa lang. I'm looking for my meds.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Okay. Sa kamatisan. No washing. You just eat the tomato. Like that.
These are not that sweet like outside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You said you're gonna take it.
For you?
No, and you eat. Small one. Oi! It fell.
Yeah.
Oh.
That is really properly ripe.
It's really
Do
ripe.
you eat like this now in Philippines?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, of course. That's
Even
good
like
for.
this?
No. That's not ripe yet. This one is okay. We
Isn't
eat this in
ripe?
Philippines. No. We eat that messy. Yeah.
Clean?
So, yeah, clean. I'm gonna eat this like you without washing.
Yeah.
If okay.
If something happened, you will blame me, yeah?
Yeah. Sobrang tamis. Sobrang tamis ng kamatis na to. Really? May tissue ka dyan? May tissue ka? Wala. Kaya. Wala akong tissue. Wow. This is life. Buhay provincial sa Czech Republic. Life of the village people in Czech Republic. I'll take this one. I'll take this. That one is sweet.
The ones on the bottom are really sweet. The hidden ones are sweet.
Yeah? The hidden one is sweet?
Yeah.
I'm gonna find the hidden one. How about the red one?
No, the red ones are not ripe yet.
No.
Not ripe yet, the red one. Only the black berries. Anyway, yeah. I think this one is ripe already.
Try.
The hidden one is sweet. I found it. If they're easy to come, like if they're easy to come off, that means they're sweet as well.
Yeah? Yeah.
Yeah. No, this one.
No?
definitely.
Not try that one?
That's how
But that's life. I love this life in Czech Republic. Simple but rock.
There's only one black currant.
Current.
One black currant.
Wow. Yeah. Pag summer. So when did Maminka plant this one, darling? This blackberries.
Long time ago. Mami, kdy si to zasadila ty ostražiny?
When?
2 to 3 years ago.
2 to 3 years ago. Wow. And every summer it gives you fruit, right? Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful here. Beautiful.
Tam je taky hodně.
Sit down. Hop.